Okay, as usual in this videos, I will share new theme for you. Make sure subscribe. And let's get started. The lock screen like this. And the widget is in the top right corner. And there are Facebook and Chrome shortcuts. While at the bottom there is a camera and phone shortcut only. Okay, that's the lock screen. Next we see the home screen. Well, this is the home screen. Button navigation change. Signal icon and battery icon change. And for the widget I use KWGT app. Panel notification like this. Number on the pad change. Like this. Here I deleted all the icons to make it look neat, and it looks more or less like that. Like this. File icon full change. Okay, that's the theme this time. Please download the link in the video description, and most importantly don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.